Hi there, students. To pull someone up or to pull up. Okay, this is a phrasal verb with various different meanings. I'm thinking of a pull up. A pull up is when you get a bar and you pull yourself up because you're really strong. So he did 20 pull-ups on the bar. As a Brit, I think to pull someone up is you tell somebody that they've done something wrong. You're angry with them. So my teacher is always pulling me up for using commas in the wrong place, comma splices. Or my boss is always pulling me up for not getting the best price possible for a product. Okay, so to pull someone up, you could pull something up on a screen. Do you think you could pull up that Excel file that shows the sales for last month? Okay, so to pull up, to show information on a screen. Okay, to pull up, to stop. So I'm in the taxi. Would you pull up in front of that restaurant over there? So to come to a stop, yeah, of a vehicle, to come to a halt. The car pulled up outside the hospital. A police car pulled up beside me. It stopped. Okay, for example as well, in horse racing, in a similar way, if you stop the horse you're riding because you're worried about it, you pull the horse up, the horse pulls up, it stops racing. Yeah, this has got the idea of to stop. I guess an aeroplane that's in a dive, it needs to pull up, to pull the plane up to avoid crashing. Let's see. I guess you could pull yourself up, yeah, and improve something. So yeah, you need to pull your English up. It needs to be better. You need to spend more time studying. So, or you could pull up a chair. Yeah, you move it closer. Yeah, pull up a chair, pull up a chair, pull up a bench. Yeah, so he pulled up a chair and sat beside me. So that's quite a lot of different meanings. So a vehicle pulls up, it slows down and stops. The taxi pulled up and I jumped out. Okay, so he was running forward and he pulled up. He stopped. Yeah, he didn't continue doing it. Okay, you need to pull up the quality of the work you are doing. To pull somebody up, to be angry with them. My teacher pulled me up for making silly mistakes. Yeah, a pull up, yeah, and I managed to do half a pull up before I was absolutely exhausted. Okay, so to pull up a screen on a computer, do you think you could pull up that diagram again for me? Okay, so a car pulls up, it pulls up and stops. Pull up a chair, bring a chair close to me. He pulled up the mirror so that we could see more clearly, or I could see myself more clearly. To pull up a seat, to bring it close. The police car pulled up next to me. I pulled up her Facebook account and read what she'd put. The runner pulled up because he'd pulled a muscle, perhaps. The pilot pulled up in order not to hit the ground. I guess you could pull up weeds as well. Okay, so to pull up, yeah, would you pull up here? Would you stop here? And I will get out. So I think that's really quite a set of meanings. Let's see. Pull up a chair. 3.5 informality. Use informally, use in a semi-formal conversation, probably not in a writing. The boss pulled me up about my work. 3.5 informality. Use informally in a semi-formal conversation, probably not a semi-formal writing. The taxi pulled up outside the restaurant. 4 informality, maybe 4.5. Use informally, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, but not very formal. Okay, so let's see. Pull-ups. I did 10 pull-ups. 5 informality. Use absolutely anywhere. Okay. I pulled up her I Swear English's Twitter page. 3.5 informality. Are there any more? Well, okay. And the origin, well, pull up, but, well, lots of different ways. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Pull